Hello busy professionals and entrepreneurs, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elisa Bloko and I'm a personal branding strategist on LinkedIn. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable comments on your existing videos on YouTube. So the step number one is to go to your YouTube channel. From there, you'll click on the right side here on Manage Videos. Here you'll be able to see all of your videos, and then you'll be able to see as well the restrictions that you have made for your videos. So as you can see here, most of my videos are set to non-restrictions, but there are still some videos that are made for kids. So the point is that if any of your videos are labeled as made for kids, then your comments will be disabled for your video. So basically what we want to do is to edit all of your videos that are made for kids as not made for kids. So how will we do that? See, once you come to the video that is one of your videos that is made for kids, hover over it and then you'll be able to see this review here. Click on it and then voila, here we go. These are the options that I was telling you about. So basically you need to choose no, it's not made for kids. Then scroll a bit more up and click on save. And now you have enabled comments for your video. Okay, let's go back. Let's choose another one. Hover over it. Click on review. Choose no, it's not made for kids. And click on save. Let's do it again. So you are at the same page, Manage Videos. As I've already said, let's check which ones are left with Made for Kids. Okay, we still have this one here. Hover it, choose Review, choose No, it's not made for kids. Scroll up, click on Save. Alright, so let's check it out. See, there are no restrictions here now on my videos. Now that I've done it, it's your turn. Now let me show you how will you automate that in order for all your future uploads to have this enabled comments. On the left hand side, click on Settings. Choose Upload Defaults. Here you can choose the visibility as well. You can choose always to have public profiles. And here you can also choose the default tags as well. Now in order to enable comments for all future uploads, click on Advanced Settings. And from the option here related to the comments, choose Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments for revision. I already had that option, so it doesn't really give me an option to save. But once you've changed this option for your channel, click on Save button. After this, all of your future video uploads will have their comments enabled. And in order to save your settings for your YouTube channel in general, click on the settings here, choose the channel, choose Advanced Settings, and choose the option No, set this channel as not made for kids. So in this case, you will enable comments for your channel and click on Save. So much from me for this YouTube video. So much from me for today, dear friends. If this video has brought any value to you, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I will appreciate it a lot. Thanks a lot and have a great day.